Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a changing text animation in Wix. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to wix.com, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. On this page, simply click on select and edit site button just right here and you'll be navigated to the site editing page. Here, simply select the text where you want to set the changing animation. Now you will see this icon, that is the animation icon just below that text. Simply click here and you will see a pop-up appearing on your screen. You'll have to just choose any one of these animation that you like for your text. So I'm going to choose, for example, blur. When I click on blur, I'll have to click on customize and now I can choose to customize this text anyhow I want. I can click on motion style and choose whether I want this blur to be gentle, moderate or intense. You can also choose the duration of this animation and click on preview. So that's how you create changing text animation in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.